What's up, humans? Got another cool thing to do to the car. Well, cool, debatably, but should be fun. So, flip you guys around. You know the drill. So, actually just finished putting the fender vents on, so watch that, or whatever. But these guys, I thought it'd be neato if they were yellow. Obviously, you can see I have LED in there. That kind of doesn't work good because trying to see it, but you can see it's like this housing is like out more than the socket is, so half of the LEDs are like behind it, so they're not super bright. So I might have to switch back to my bulbs until I can find a better light. But what I did get is this super cheap film, so I might cut out a piece, try to put it on that. I think it looked pretty good. So I got a screwdriver, take off the little molding, microfiber, heat gun, and quick detailer. That should be everything we need. So I'm gonna start taking these off, see what I can do. So first step is gonna be right down here. There's a little access hole. You need a Phillips head. Put that in there. You should feel a bolt that you can take out. Or actually, that's wrong. I'm completely doing the wrong thing. This is how you aim your lights. So tighter, screws it in down, points it down more, and looser, points it up. What you need to take off is this guy in the corner. That makes a whole lot more sense. So that guy's out. And then just kind of put your fingers through this. Should pop out. There it goes there. Gently. There's our light. So, take some Mother's Quick Detailer. Bam. Microfiber. Polish that little guy up. Okay, cool. So that's looking better. Now, I'm gonna try to unroll this and cut a piece out the shape, so we'll see how that goes. So that actually was easier than expected. Just kind of stuck it down in the middle, and then heated it and worked my way outwards, and then just kind of wrapped around the edge, cut off some excess. Luckily it doesn't even matter over there, so I didn't even really try to make it look nice. Just kind of melted it over the edge, because this actually sits more in the middle. Get this in there. Get this in its home. There you go. So there you go. Kind of hard to pick up on camera because of the contrast, but I like it. So there's an after and before. I don't even know if you can see this, but oh, there, it's a little better. But yeah, I like it. I think it's kind of cool. It's nice and subtle though. So I think I'll keep rocking it. And do the other side. We'll see if it holds up, because it was like 50-cent vinyl. But I mean, you actually get a lot of it, so let me do the other half. Alrighty, so there it is. Car's looking super riced out now, but I'm okay with it, I think. So now I just have to turn them on and see if they're yellow, which I don't know. Plus the LEDs are kind of dim right now, which I can put the stock bulbs, I do have them. They were a lot brighter and a lot more even. But I don't know. I'm going to turn them on and then switch to back. Sorry, I don't know where I left off, but I'm going to try to turn them on outside and see what it looks like with these terrible LEDs, and then probably pull it in here, shut some lights off, and see what it looks like. Ugh, I wish you could like see them though. Alright, so here's with my cheap LED headlights and fog lights. I actually really like it. I'm content with that. And with even brighter ones, I think it would look sick. So I'll try to get a night clip or something when it gets darker today, but here it is for now. And this is a white LED, so that's how yellow it is, I guess. Alright, so here's just a quick clip of it at night now. Kind of see. Try to focus it on a dark spot and then on a light spot. So they're not super yellow at night. Yeah, it's kind of a more realistic look. It's more of a dingy white. I guess straight on they are kind of yellow though. But I think like a high-powered yellow LED is probably what I'm gonna go for. But you can see those things stayed on, so that's good. But yeah, I'm pretty excited. Still like it. It's looking good. And take some pictures. So yeah, thanks for watching.